Have you ever needed to use a car device at home? Maybe a car fridge, a tire inflator, or a vacuum cleaner. But then you realized it only works with a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. That's where this device comes in. Today, we're taking a look at the JSungHui 12-volt 15-amp power adapter. It lets you plug your car accessories into a regular wall outlet. But does it actually work? And is it worth buying? Let's find out. Most car devices are designed to run on 12 volts direct current. That's DC power. But your home outlets provide AC power, alternating current. That means you can't just plug them in. But this adapter converts AC power to 12-volt DC power, so you can use your car gadgets indoors. It plugs into any wall outlet from 100 to 240 volts. Then, it delivers 12 volts DC at up to 15 amps. That's a max of 180 watts. If your device needs less than that, it should work just fine. But if it needs more, this adapter won't be enough. What can you use it for? It works with almost any car accessory under 180 watts. Things like car refrigerators, tire inflators, car vacuum cleaners, dash cams, and DVRs, car air purifiers and humidifiers. But one important thing, this is not a charger. It won't charge laptops, phones, or anything with a battery. It just provides power, safety features. This adapter has built-in overload, overheat, and short-circuit protection. That means if something goes wrong, it shuts off automatically to prevent damage. It's also made from flame-resistant ABS plastic, so it's safer to use indoors. Pros and cons. Now let's break it down. Pros. Works with a wide range of car accessories. Has built-in safety features, simple and easy to use. More affordable than other power converters. Cons. Won't work with anything over 180 watts. Not designed for charging devices with batteries. So, is it worth it? If you need to use car accessories at home and they're under 180 watts, then yes. This adapter is a simple and effective solution. Just be sure to check your device's power rating before you buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Shop Smart for more product reviews. And if you want to check out this adapter, there's a link in the description. See you in the next one.